What's up guys? For this day we will be unboxing a Nostin TV Cabinet, TV media storage cabinet slash console 4 feet 5. So we bought this from Shopee and it's from nostin.ph. So basically guys, the initial price, so we know how e-commerce works. From they always have this from 1699 to 1099, so that's the price for this item. Now including the shipping fee from the northern area Luzon to Mindanao, from 1099 plus shipping fee, it's now 1437. And let's see if this will benefit us. Okay, so we'll be now unboxing. Actually guys, this is a huge item, as you can see. So it's on my rest level. So this is how tall it is. We expected this big because it's for the TV. Okay, and now let's try to take a look inside it. It's quite heavy guys. So we have this one, that's one, and for tightening, of course, we have screws here, locks here. Just put this on the floor. We have this, guys, I don't know how do you call this one, but these are for like for building its chassis. We have a guide here. This will be a useful tool for us. So, installation drawing of TV cabinet F15A. So it indicates how to assemble actually. Okay, at the back. So this is how it looks like. And then we have few here. It's like there's a lot of it guys here. This one, oh, okay, another. We also have this. I don't know. I think this is the stand. We have free screwdriver for us to use. This one again, and the long one. Another long one. Just a box now, so I'll remove this. I'll set this aside. Now let's start building this. Step 1, install the whole part. Actually guys, it has number on its plate, so this is number 8. We have to look for number 2 and 3. So this is number 1. We already have number 2. And number 3 is number 3. This is number 3. So on the picture guys, it says here installation drawing of TV cabinet F15A. So as you can see here, there are indicators like A, B, C, D, F, G. So these are the connecting screws here. So if it says C, like just like here, so you use this one to unite these two boards here. And for the boards itself, if it indicates number 2 or 3 here, so just have to reflect the image number 2 and 3 and find the label on the board itself. So that is how we assemble this cabinet. Okay? So on the side, this is how it looks like. Here, you use this C. This was labeled C here. This one. This is number 4 and this is number 5. Okay. about step number 7 on its guide. So we need to put this one here on this part, and you need to use this small one. It's labeled letter D. The next step is to attach this to as the back part of this one. So we have to put it like this, and we will connect it using the nails, which are labeled G. So that's G. Straighten the whole body face forward, so facing me, and then we'll attach another one here. This one. It's gonna be a long. The other long table is here. Let's find the. Let's proceed to step number 12. So if you have missed something because of the installation drawing, these materials are supposed to be on the flat part or the top part every available hole in the top cardboard number. It's label number 14 is 13. This is how it looks like.